This FireFly system is app-based. You can use the FireFly control systems through your telephone or your iPad and Android device as well. And welcome to the Grech Strada RV. We're going to review the FireFly control system. So I'm going to review the basics of the FireFly control systems to start, and then we'll get more in depth as we go through the systems. First of all, this is the home screen that you can see on right now. This is going to have all your tank level control systems on there, as far as your water pump, tank heaters, your LP level, black tank level, gray tank level, and freshwater tank levels. Also on this main home page right here, you have a master light on and off. This will control all the interior lights. You also have extend and retract for your awning and a stop button on the main home page. On the main home page also shows your battery, house battery levels, your generator start stop switch, and your automatic generator start control. Right now it isn't disabled. On the left hand side of the main page you have a menu screen. We're going to go to the lighting control page by pushing the icon on the left hand side with the light button on it. This one has another light master on there. When you turn the light master on and off, it controls all of the interior lights. It will not control exterior lights. Exterior lights are controlled individually, not off the light master. If you have a arrow up and down on the lighting icons on this page, they are dimmable. To dim or to brighten, push and hold the icon. It will dim or brighten. It will stay in the dim or bright state as left when you let go of the finger. To turn it on and off, just quickly tap on and tap, it'll go back on. We're going to go to the next screen. The next screen is your power management screen. Okay, the next screen is our power management screen. So we'll push the power management little icon. Looks like the lightning bolt electrical settings page. Right now we're plugged into a 20 amp power source. You can change that power source by pushing the button there. Now it's on a 30 amp shore power source, 15 amp power source. We're going to be leaving on 20 amp shore power source. That's what I'm on right now. It can show you your voltage coming in, the amount of amperage being drawn, and the hertz. Shows you that it's coming from the transfer switch to the breaker box to the inverter charger. So right now the inverter charger is on and it's in charge mode. I can see inverter charger amps is charging the lithium batteries at 46 amps. It's in bulk charge right now. Automatic gen start page is disabled right now. Automatic gen start page icon right here. If you push the automatic gen start page, it goes to the auto gen start settings page. You can change the settings on this page from auto gen start disabled. If I push and hold the button here for disabled, it will go to a secondary screen. It'll give you a warning for automatic gen start if you want to enable or not. Right now we're not going to do that. We're going to hit cancel. This page on the auto gen start page will allow you to change the times that the automatic generator start will work. So you can change it from quiet times or start time and stop time. Also start voltages, times at start voltages, stop at stop voltages, time at stop voltages, maximum generator run time, generator start retries. So that's your automatic generator start page. Back over to the electrical settings page. And that's pretty much it on that page there. We'll go to the next page, which is your air conditioning control, climate control page. This page has your controls for your air conditioning system. You can have an auto mode, your low and high speed fan modes, cool mode. When you turn it to cool, that's when it turns the air conditioner on. This is what sets your cabin temperature settings. So it's reading cabin temperature here, 65 degrees. Air conditioner is set to 70 degrees, or you can run this down to whatever temperature you want. And then if you have it in the cool mode, it'll turn the air conditioner on. And the auto will automatically control your fan controls on the low and on the high. And then front vent fan, this is the control for your automatic front vent fan. It also has a rain sensor built in, so if it sees rain, it will automatically close the front vent fan. So that is your climate control page. The next page down is for your shades. This page has Shade Master. If you push the Shade Master button down, it'll lower all the shades. If you push the button again, it will stop the shades where they are. If you push the button up, it will go all the way up. If you want to stop them again, you can push it again. You can stop them in any position. If you push each individual, it will go, just that individual shade will go up and down, not the Shade Master. So for example, driver side front, if I want to push the driver side front only, it'll go driver side front only. If I want to stop it, I can stop it. If you push and hold your finger on the button, it will go and it'll stop when you release. Pretty simple operations. Shade Master total, we'll run them all back up again. It will automatically go all the way up or all the way down, depends on which way you direct them to go when it's in automatic mode. Next page is your service screen page, settings page. This one, you can control the screen brightnesses. You can go on auto dimming mode. Cleaning mode will allow you to clean the screen without affecting the controls. It will go into that mode for, I believe, 15 seconds and then automatically revert to the screen again in operation mode. This one you can control and set your time on your clock. Also temperature units in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Now when you switch this from Fahrenheit to Celsius on this screen, it will only change this screen. It will not change the other screens. If you want to change the other screens, you need to change them individually. So this one will now read Celsius. If I want to read it back to Fahrenheit, push the button again, it'll be back in Fahrenheit. Like I said, it's only this screen when you change the temperature units. So they're controlled individually. Mobile app button, push the mobile app button. These FireFly systems are set up with the mobile application. You can download from the QR scan code right here to download the app. Once you download the app, you can link to the FireFly system via Bluetooth. And this is the ID on this particular system. This is the PIN number on this particular system. You can change this PIN number. Once you are in the system, you can reset it to default. Default is 7s all the way across here. This is the 3896 PIN code. So once you link to the app, then it will allow you to control anything that is controlled on the FireFly control panels through the app. And the app is good for Android devices and iOS devices. So you must download the app first for it to work. This is the second control panel for your FireFly control system. Also your main power switch and your exterior power switch for your step. There's 3 switches here, one for each ottoman on each side and your sofa in the rear when you convert the rear of the vehicle to your bed. And that is pretty much all the controls from the FireFly system. If there is any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Grech RV, thank you very much.